morning, guys. Welcome to a fun little productive vlog. I'm in such a good mood today, you guys. Okay, so a few days before Christmas, had the day off. Matt's at work, Stella and I are in the Starbucks drive-thru because you can't start off a productive cleaning day without some Starbies. So we're getting some Starbucks. I'm really freaking excited, and I've never been so excited to organize my house before. So anyways, we're gonna have a fun little organizing day. I don't know what it is this year, but I want to go into 2021 organized and decluttered instead of doing that in the new year, you know? I want to go into the new year feeling like clean and organized and decluttered and Mary Kondo and whatever her name is. And yeah, so that's our plan for the day. I just have a list to get done. I made a to-do list yesterday and I'm ready to tackle that biatch today. It's gonna be a great day. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, organize, and I really just can't wait. Honestly, I'm so excited, and you know, we're going into lockdown, so what better way to spend the day than being productive at home? So grab my coffee and I'll chat with you guys when we get back home. We're home with our Starbucks now. If you guys want my exact order, I'll show you guys. It's a venti cold brew with oat milk foam and 2 pumps of chestnut praline in the foam. So fun little festive drink. And then, like I said, I made a to-do list last night just because that way I could kind of start today and go off with a bang. So these are some things I want to get done. A lot of it is stuff I could just get done today, like little things I just didn't want to forget. Like I don't know if I'm going to get a cork board today or look for a new wallet. I did groceries last night, but all this we need to tackle. It is another very dreary day here in Ottawa. I have like all the lights on again. I don't know if you guys can tell. Well, yeah, like it's so dark, but it's okay. We're gonna make the most of it. So honestly, most of what we're doing today is my office closet. You guys think I'm an organized person, and I applaud you guys for that, but you guys, do you guys have that one place in your house where you just throw random stuff and leave it? Because that's our office closet. Like everything's in there. Our AC units, like so much random stuff is in there, and I want to get it all cleaned out. I have a really nice shelving unit in there, which I'll show you guys. You guys probably remember it from when I lived with my parents. And we could use it for so many things. Like we could have one for like our Disney pins and magic bands and stuff. We could have one for extra tools, one for like just knick-knacky things that would keep it organized. But I have all of my clothes in there, so I need to get all my summer clothes and Disney clothes out of there. I'll show you guys the stuff we got from Amazon. I think I spent like 40 bucks and I got really good stuff, so I'm really excited to show you guys. And I got some under the bed organizers because like we may as well use the space under our bed, and I feel like that's such a big tip if you guys have like an apartment or a condo, is to use that. We have a lot of space. I feel like a lot of people actually think we have an apartment or a condo. We have an actual house, guys. We have a townhouse, which I don't know if you guys use that term in the US, but yeah, we have a townhouse, which is like an actual 2-story house. It's just attached to another house. I think a lot of people assume we have like an apartment, but we don't. So we have a lot of room, but it just needs to be organized more. We just kind of throw stuff in there. So today's plan is just to kind of like organize all that. I'll show you guys the stuff we got on Amazon, and then we'll get to organizing. Okay. It's just like a lot of organizing today. I need to like organize my closet. Like I just don't have efficient systems of organizing in the house, which is okay. But you just gotta like realize that and do something about it. And like I said, I just want to go into 2021 like super organized and clean and just decluttered. And I don't know, 2020 with the pandemic has really made me realize like I just don't need a lot of like stuff, you know what I mean? So I got these. Hopefully they work. They're just some under the bed organizers. I will try and link everything down below, but always keep in mind that I'm linking things in Amazon Canada. So if you're in Amazon US, you'll have to find a different link. But I just figure you may as well use the space that you have under your bed, regardless if you're in a big house or not. Like I may as well use it because the shelving system here, like I'm taking up all the boxes with clothes. So cow, we can fit so much in these. Do you guys see how big these are? One of them will definitely fit my summer clothes, and then I'm hoping the extra one, I would give it to Matt, but Matt actually has a dresser, so he doesn't really need any extra storage. I might put like my Disney stuff in here just to save some room too. So I'm excited about these. I just got a 6-pack of these foldable bins. These are like the OG. These are like the best thing in the world. I think the 6-pack was like 20 bucks, which is crazy. So I just got a bunch of these for the closet just to organize like my socks and stuff. So let's start by putting the clothes in this under the bed thing. And then we'll go from there because then we can actually organize the closet. But Anyways, okay, I think this worked out so well, you guys. I'm so impressed. This one's awesome because when we go to trips, I can just like slide this out from under the bed. And it's the perfect amount of room. So that obviously has like all my ears and my shirts. And then this one just has all my summer clothes. So these fit perfect. And look how much room it saved. It saved 5 cubes. So now we have 5 more to organize. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these under my bed and then we'll keep organizing. This is the current status of my room. It's so messy. Oh, we moved it around. I didn't show you guys here. Okay, so, well, there's Stella. Everything's the same crate in here and then the table here. We obviously need to like a new bed set and stuff, but yeah, we moved it around and I like it like this. But she's just a mess. We've made this like our little Disney like shelf, but my closet is just like, it doesn't look messy, but it's just very cluttered and like I just want to move stuff around. So we're gonna take some time and tackle this now. Alrighty guys, that first part of the day is complete. I'll show you guys. It didn't take as long as I thought, but I just feel so much better. Everything is like so tidy and clean now. I'll show you guys. It just makes me so happy. So I have these little baskets here. This just has PJs and this has tank tops, just stuff that like I commonly reach for. And then you guys know I had my pants there before. Now I have like bras, underwear, socks, and then all my pants down there just because like I don't have a lot of pants. And then this is organized. Grab that. I have a bag of clothes to donate. And then hard to open these stupid doors. I hate them. But I moved that up there. It was down there before. And then that is just like bags, and I'll start to put some Christmas stuff in there. This is still kind of like not the most organized. Like I have a fall sign and then some frames because we haven't hung them up. But this is so much cleaner now. There's no clothes in it. Like, and these are just these are all my work like random stuff because I'm not using it. But this one has some extra frames. Just like, it's just nice to be able to throw stuff away. That has my point using cubes to put stuff in them. That has like my teddy bear for my kid. This has all of our magic bands and my medals, which I need to hang up. That one's empty. That has all of my memory box stuff. I just need to buy a memory box. This has knickknacks. And then this one has work pants since I'm not wearing them. And this one has like random boxes. So much more organized, and I know where everything is. And then this looks better too. We need to get rid of that weight, but whatever. That's a Christmas present, so that's why that's there. But I just put these there and they're all empty, but it just looks a lot nicer. And then that's a giveaway gift. So that's what it looks like all tidied up. I do this today, but yesterday I organized my desk. Well, besides this little candle, but it's just a lot more organized now. And I have my Kindle and there's room for like notebooks and stuff in there. So that's organized as well. I'm really happy about that. Hi. I'm having some water because I've not had enough water today, but I checked off literally almost everything off my list. There's like 2 things left on it, which is awesome. I think I'm gonna try and go to Plato's Closet today just because I just want to go and get it over with considering we're going back into a lockdown. So that's my plan in a little bit. I'm gonna clean the kitchen up first. It's such a disaster, so let's do that. Alrighty guys, we're really getting it done today. I am out to pick up some stuff because I don't want to leave my house from now until Christmas unless it's to go work out. So we're getting everything today. I still need to get like a few little stocking stuffers for Matt, but whatever. I didn't bring my Plato's Closet stuff only because I don't want to be out for that long. Like when you go to Plato's Closet, you have to like either sit around and wait for them to finish going through it or come back later, and I don't really plan on like leaving later except to go to spin, which is in the opposite direction, so it's just gonna wait. But like I said, I need champagne and cinnamon buns, and then I think I might get some like ciders or something from Matt's stocking. I guess I can say this because I know this vlog is not going up until after Christmas, so I might get some ciders to put in his stocking. But that's my update. So we're just going out to grab some little things, and then we'll spend the rest of the afternoon snuggled up with Stella on the couch, probably answering emails, editing videos, and catching up on Vlogmas. I saw on the wait list for spin, and I got off, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, let's go run errands, and I'll chat with you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, I'm happy to say we got the goods. We secured the bag. I'm so excited. So we got cinnamon buns, and then Matt saw this magazine yesterday and he wanted to buy it for himself, but he didn't, so I went and got it today just because I could put it in his stocking. So I got him that, and then I wanted a green juice just for Christmas because I feel like I'm not gonna, you know, probably have any greens in me. So I just got this one. That's the only one they have. I prefer the Dose or the Loop, but just got this one. And then anyone else like have specific grocery stores that carry specific things, at least in Canada it's like that. So I love these body granola bars because this brand is actually like IBS friendly. So I just picked up a few of these. They're low FODMAP, and I like to have them on hand, so I picked up 3. That's my little random grocery haul, and now we're gonna head home. Alrighty guys, we're home now. We got a curious puppy. We're watching some YouTube. I'm just doing some emails, but let me know, am I the only one who actually enjoys the taste of celery juice and green juice? Because like I love the taste. Is that just me? Am I weird? Let me know. But I'm having this, answering some emails like I said, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Oh, I've been on the couch watching Vlogmas, but I decided to get back up and get the productive train rolling again. I don't really have too much to do. The house is clean. Everything's ready for Christmas, presents are wrapped, like everything's good. The only thing that I want to do is just clean the pantry. I don't do that very often, and I feel like I should do it more because of like crumbs and spices and stuff. So I'm gonna take everything out, clean down the shelves, and then put everything back in. It's pretty organized, but it's just something I don't do often. You're gonna clean the pantry with Mama? Are you gonna help me? Not super unorganized, but it could just use like a little wipe down. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down all the shelves, and you know, like these get really like sticky and gross because of like all the wet things in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then probably call it a day because I have a spin soon. Everything is all clean. I also moved these around. I just swapped them. I don't know, I just like to change it up, but everything is all clean, wiped down, and like reorganized. Stella's making sure there's no food that fell, but looks so much, well, you guys probably noticed a big difference, but it's clean, which is great. I just used the I just used my normal all-purpose cleaner, which is just the Method one. I ran out of the green one. You guys know I love the bamboo one, so I had to use the grapefruit, but it's a close second. It's pretty good. Literally was talking about Dose like in this vlog when I was saying how I love their juices, and look what showed up at my door. Oh my gosh. They emailed me and asked if they could send me a box, which guys, I don't even know if these are all gonna fit in my freaking freezer, but I'm so excited. Let's open it up and see what it is. I don't even know how to unbox this. It's so freaking massive. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's so many juices in here. Cow, look at all the freaking juices they sent me. I think they sent me 2 kinds of juices. You guys know that I love these so much. Okay, let's unbox them and I'll show you guys the flavors they sent me. Look how many juices they sent me. I'm like fangirling so hard right now. Okay, so the first thing they sent me was 2 of their gut shots, or lemon, ginger, turmeric, pepper, you know. Love these for the holidays. Look at all of them, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay. So these are their premium lemonades. So lemon, maple syrup, and cayenne. This one's kick. This one is maple water, lemon, and chia seed. And then we have Focus pineapple, cucumber, and sencha tea. This one is pineapple lime mint. Fresh, these two are my favorite. Yogi is the first one I tried that got me hooked because only 3 grams of sugar. But I love Fresh. Fresh is cucumber, orange, kale, and more. Celery, kale, spinach, this is my favorite. Tango is carrot, apple, ginger. Cactus is apple, cucumber, celery. Samba is beet, apple, carrot. That'll be exciting. I've never had juiced beet before, so that'll be good. And then Zest is orange, grapefruit, melon. This will be perfect for like Christmas Day and some mimosas. So thank you, Dose, so much for all the goodies. I'll have their link down below. They gave me a special link for you guys, so you guys check them out. They're Canadian. We love them so much. I love their packaging. Their packaging is amazing. No artificial crap, only natural, organic, healthy ingredients, nothing else. I love their packaging so much. Thank you so much, Dose. I'm so excited. Wow, the lighting is trash. Hi guys. Okay, so it's currently, first of all, why do I look like a bald boy? Wow, the lighting is trash. It's currently 6:40. It's been a while. I just got back from spin and made dinner. I'm having kombucha in a cuppy, and I'm ending the vlog off here just because I'm gonna sit down and watch Vlogmas for the next, so what are you doing? 1 or 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you guys my dinner because I made these cute little pizzas with these flat out wraps that I found at the store. They're just like nice and small, which I like. So I'm gonna show you guys the pizzas that I made, and then I'm just saying goodbye now because the vlog's gonna be done in a few seconds. But I hope you guys enjoyed. These are my pizzas. I decided to be bougie and try and make this like salami parmesan red onion one. I'm gonna put some balsamic on it. This is just like a bacon cheese marinara sauce one. So I'm gonna have these 2 little pizzas for dinner with some kombucha. I'll chat with you guys in the next vlog.